Welcome to Reliable Nissan's video showcase with Scott Mustard. Right now we are viewing the 2018 Nissan Frontier SV. Beautiful vehicle. Upgraded fabric interior. Breathable. Very comfortable. You have automatic driver window with power windows all around. Powered exterior mirrors. Cargo lamp, downhill assist, Bluetooth connectability for hands-free calling, AM, FM, CD player, XM. It's automatic. It is 4x4. 2-coupler, nice sized wheel, little organized for your change. With the 12-volt, you have USB, another additional 12-volt auxiliary plug-in for your phone that doesn't have Bluetooth. Check out the back seats. Very comfortable seating in the back. Latch system. We have 2 latch systems. You have a little well, keep some stuff in. You also have an additional one. Cup holders in the back. Truck liner. Here's your camera. Come on down, Reliable Nissan. We're reliable.